Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off accessibility menu shortcut in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for this option, how to disable it. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in accessibility menu we have our shortcut here. So we can turn it off by using this switch. As you can see, it's a simple on or off switch with added menu here, so we can change our accessibility button settings if we need to. And of course, here we have few more options that we can change. For example, we can add our button press to the shortcut. But to turn it off, we just turn it off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.